Sam, he's a pretty cool brother. Very relaxed, as you know. Remember when I first met Alex, I thought, man, this girl is loud.
You are the dreamer and the optimist. I am the planner and the organiser. Between the two of us, we can turn our dreams into reality, one list at a time.
I will be faithful, loyal and honest with you always. And I will raise your children to be happy, playful and instill our values into them. I will love them fiercely and unconditionally. This is it for me. You and me. I love you, Mum. Thank you for making life so beautiful.
May the love you have continue to blossom and grow throughout the years. Tēnā rā kōrua I roto I ngā mihi me te araha nui. Congratulations and love to you both. I'm thrilled to pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Wood. Alex, would you ask your husband for a pash, please?
Alex, in marrying Sam, you're getting someone who is not only one of the biggest goofballs I know, but he is also fun-loving, caring, and an all-round good guy.
Growing up, we had this sort of built-in barbecue in James Grove in the Stokes Valley. I remember Alex using it as a throne.
He's found a man who treats her like a princess, as she deserves and she's used to.
She still bosses us around now, except instead of fetching ballerina flowers, for the barbecue queen, we have the honour of helping her on her wedding day.
Here's to the journey ahead. Cheers.